I'm Senthil Kumar Madhavan. I'm a senior training consultant with over 16 years of experience. I do corporate training for senior executives and also recruitment for various multinational companies. I do training for international certification programs related to English and life skills. I've traveled around India and Kerala and worked in a large number of business schools and colleges for various types of training programs. I will be delivering the training for Business English, and it is a very interactive training program. Business English is basically professional English communication training, and it is focused on giving understanding and skill development to professional students like BTech students and MBA students to develop their ability to communicate in office or corporate work situation. It helps improve vocabulary, fluency and overall understanding of language and communication required for the business or professional context. After completing this training program, the students have the option to appear for an international certification examination. Definitely they will improve their skills by going through this training in a very honest and earnest manner. So this training program is focused on language skills. There are 4 basic skills connected with every language: speaking, listening, reading and writing. And in this training, each of those skills will be given importance, and very high quality materials connected with the office context, people communicating in day-to-day office situations, and how the vocabulary and how the presentation and how the different aspects of behavior connected with these communication situations should be done. So the students will be having a lot of interactions and understanding based on classroom activities. It will be done both online and offline to give a better understanding, and a lot of materials and practice opportunities will be given to students. This training program, we envision the students to have a experience of work-life communication, and it also in terms of giving them practical exposure hopes to develop their personality through learning English and communication skill in the business and corporate life context. So this is basically what the Business English training is about. And in Business English there is a wide range of materials available, and the online as well as offline training will utilize different methods like role play, interaction, and also doubt clearance, and various other online resources will also help the students progress. So they will have a full exposure to these things, provided they are focused in enhancing their ability and skill and increasing their employability. Employability, as all of you know, is very important in today's world, and in addition to the technical skills which students get through BTech and various other professional courses, it is very important these days that they also find and utilize opportunity to develop their life skills and communication skills, including specialized skills. So a lot of focus on vocabulary development, on developing their fluency, which gives them the option to both appear for a certification as well as to develop their skills overall. So ഇത്തരം പ്രോഗ്രാമിലൂടെ കുറച്ചുകൂടി ബെറ്റർ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു സ്റ്റുഡൻറ്റ്, കുറച്ചുകൂടി കേപ്പബിൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള, ഇൻഡസ്ട്രി റെഡി ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു സ്റ്റുഡൻറ്റ് പാസ് ഔട്ട് ആകും എന്നാണ് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും ഐ എം ഷുവർ they will get a very good exposure through similar training, and I wish them all the best. Thank you.